Hi kids, how are you? Today we are gonna play with animals. Let's play a game. Listen and guess the animal. Animal number 1. Squid, squid. Who says squid? Mouse. The mouse says squid, squid. Animal number 2. Who says fish? The fish says. Animal number 3. Ba, ba. Who says ba? Sh, sh, sh. Sheep. The sheep says ba. Animal number 4. Who says bzz, bzz? B, b. Bee. The bee says bzz. Animal number 5. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Who says hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo? Owl. The owl says hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Animal number 6. Tip, 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 tip. Who says tip, tip? B, b, bird. The bird says tip, tip. Animal number 7. Snake. The snake says. Animal number 8. Caw, 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 caw. Who says caw, 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 caw? Hen. The hen says caw, 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 caw. Animal number 9. Meow, meow. Who says meow? Cat. The cat says meow. Animal number 10. Moo, moo. Who says moo? Cow. The cow says moo. Animal number 11. E-o, e-o. D-d-d-d-d. Donkey. The donkey says e-o, e-o. Animal number 12. He. Who says he? Horse. The horse says he. Animal number 13. Hoo-hoo-ha-ha, hoo-hoo-ha-ha. Who says hoo-hoo-ha-ha? Monkey. The monkey says hoo-hoo-ha-ha. Animal number 14. Last animal. Grrr, grrr. Who says grrr? Bear. Bear. The bear says grrr. Do you remember all the animals? Let's see. Let's watch. Bear, monkey, horse, donkey, cow, cat, hen, snake, bird, owl, bee, sheep, fish, mouse, Bear. Very good. Goodbye, kids.